Hey there, and welcome to Sell Your Home in Irvine, California. In this video, we're talking about the insider secrets every home seller needs to know. Now, give me a second to switch over to my laptop. Today's video is answering the question, does my home's assessed value matter? Now, before we talk about whether an assessed value matters, well, what the heck is an assessed value? And so here we go. A tax assessor assigns a value to determine property taxes, while fair market value is an agreed price between a seller and a buyer. In other words, fair market value is the price you can get for your home, but it's not the assessed value by the tax man. So does your home's assessed value matter? Only when paying your taxes. It really has no bearing at all on the sale of your home, as we've seen in recent history with houses selling for $100,000 or more over the asking price. Understanding your home's fair market value, not the tax assessor's value, is really the question you must ask before selling your home. Understanding what your home is worth on the open market can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for more do-re-mi. So that's your tip for today. Thank you for watching. My name is Remy, like do-re-mi. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about selling your home in South Orange County, my team is standing by. Simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.